Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Shadowing Practice with Sophia. We're now at episode 8 of season 1, and it's fantastic to see you continuing your practice. Remember to listen carefully, pause the video, and repeat my sentences, focusing on the natural rhythm and intonation of English. Today's topic is something very practical and empowering, setting small, achievable goals. We all have things we want to accomplish, whether they're big dreams or smaller improvements in our daily lives. But sometimes big goals can feel overwhelming, and it can be hard to know where to start. That's where the power of small, achievable goals comes in. Instead of focusing on a huge, distant objective, breaking it down into smaller, manageable steps can make a world of difference. For example, if your big goal is to learn a new language, a small, achievable goal might be to learn 5 new vocabulary words each day, or to practice speaking for 10 minutes. If you want to get fitter, a small goal could be to walk for 20 minutes 3 times a week. The beauty of small goals is that they are less intimidating. They feel doable. And when you achieve these small goals, you get a wonderful sense of accomplishment and a boost of motivation. Each small win builds your confidence and encourages you to take the next step. It creates positive momentum. This approach also helps you to track your progress more easily. You can see yourself moving forward, which is very rewarding. It prevents that feeling of being stuck or overwhelmed that can often lead to giving up. Setting small, achievable goals is also about being realistic. It's important to set goals that you can reasonably accomplish with your current resources and time. This doesn't mean you shouldn't dream big, but it means you should plan smart. So, think about something you'd like to achieve. Can you break it down into smaller steps? What's one small thing you can do today or this week to move closer to your larger objective? Write it down, make a plan, and then celebrate each small success along the way. This principle applies to learning English too. Your small, achievable goal for today might simply be to complete this shadowing practice session with focus. Every little bit counts. I hope this inspires you to set some small goals for yourself. And, as always, I hope it provides excellent material for your shadowing. Keep up the great work. I'll see you in episode 9. Bye for now.